Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to push this main data analyst jobs machine learning project into your GitHub. Before pushing, first you have to create .gitignore file where you have to mention all the necessary extension which you are not want to push to GitHub. Second thing, you have to create a requirements.txt file where it should have the packages what you have installed before running this project. Let us see by running this project how this project works. Just type streamlit run app.py. Once you enter this, the project will be running and Data Analyst Job Market prediction and shows what are all the domain finance analyst tools Python. Here you can see that the top 10 job titles, and also we have performed EDA operations. According to this you can see salary by salary distribution, salary by sectors distribution, salary by top paying locations, and also you can perform salary predictions here. If you want Python and Excel predicts salary, the salary is approximately 5 lakhs per year. If you company rating you want 3.5, only Python, your salary would be around 5.9 lakhs. So this is how your project works. So let me close this and open VS Code. Just close this terminal. Okay, now I'll open a PowerShell toggle, that is this thing, toggle panel. Here, before performing operation, we need to create GitHub repository. For that, github.com. Let me open my GitHub and let me create a new repository which says Data Analyst Job Market. Okay, copy this. Here, this is a machine learning project using, just enter this Data Analyst Job Market database. That's fine. Here, visibility you have to choose public. Add readme, I'll tell you in further why I'm not owning this. And add gitignore, we have already added our gitignore. On license we certainly don't have any license, just create a repository. Once you create, here you will be seeing many steps to create or pushing into repository. I'll show you step by step now. So open your code again. Here first just enter git init. Once you enter git init, it will initialize the empty git repository. Then you'll see all these files as untracked files. The remaining files are not untracked because in gitignore you can see you have added this CSV file and PDF files and docs files to be not added, so it is not taken as consideration. Next you have to copy paste this to add remote origin. Once the remote origin is added, you have to enter the command, that is to git add. Here in git add we'll be adding all the files, and hence I'll show git add space dot. We'll be adding all the files. If I enter here, you can see the U is changed to A, that is untracked is changes to added. It is added all the file into staging area. Now the files are ready to push, but before that you have to commit a message like for GitHub to showing, just a minute, commit a message before pushing into GitHub. Git commit. Once this commit is done, next you have to create a branch, that is main. Either you can create a master branch or main branch, or else you can create multiple branch in GitHub. In future videos I'll be explaining complete details of GitHub. So git branch hyphen main. Once you enter, the branch is changed to main. Then here you can push the code to GitHub. So now you can see there are certain details provided enumerating objects 9, done, counting 100% delta compression using up to 8 threads. These are all the complete details of your GitHub file adding. Once it is shown, just verify your repository by clicking refresh. Here you can see all the files are added here of this project. If you want to use this project, I'll provide readme step in my future video, and you can see how to add this readme file. Here you can see you can enter any letters about this project, or you can use HTML like COVID-19 trials or data analyst job. So if you commit the changes, it will ask you commit message to create RMD, or you can change whatever you want, and extended description whatever you can provide about this. You can create a new branch for this commit also and start pull request. I'll show you in further video what are all these options. Just commit change to the first option. Here you can see even HTML works in readme file, and even you can enter just in letters. Whatever the thing you want, you are comfortable, you can do. I'll provide dedicated video for this. Right now you just come to know how to push a project into your GitHub. So this is a very clear understanding of pushing a project to GitHub. You can see this machine learning project. Let me show you how this works. You have to just enter streamlit run app.py. As I have already previously showed this, if you just enter this, you can see multiple data, and even if you change the dataset, you can perform certain operation. In conclusion, I have added download dataset and also download Jupyter notebook file. You can use it for your further usage of this project. So this is it about today's video, guys. This is how you can push a project to your GitHub. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.